When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your home, every detail matters. One of the most impactful changes you can make is upgrading your windows. A window replacement in Jennings offers more than just a functional update. It can transform the overall aesthetic of your home, making it more inviting, modern, and energy efficient. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to improve the look of your house, new windows can significantly elevate its curb appeal. The visual impact of new windows. Old, worn-out windows can detract from the beauty of your home's exterior. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause windows to become foggy, cracked, or discolored, giving your house a neglected appearance. On the other hand, new windows can provide a fresh, polished look that instantly makes your home feel well-maintained and up-to-date. Replacing your windows offers a chance to change the style and design of your home's exterior. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary frames or more traditional styles, new windows can complement your home's architecture and reflect your personal taste. There are various window styles to choose from, including double hung, casement, bay, and picture windows, each offering a distinct aesthetic that can enhance the charm of your property. The right style can highlight the best features of your home and make it stand out from the rest of the neighborhood. Energy efficiency and long-term value. Beyond aesthetics, one of the greatest advantages of replacing your windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows often lack proper insulation, leading to heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. This can result in higher energy bills and an uncomfortable living environment. New, energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that help regulate the temperature inside your home, reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. In Jennings, where summers can be hot and winters can be chilly, energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your utility costs. Double-glazed windows, for example, are a popular choice for their superior insulation properties. They keep your home comfortable year-round, while also reducing your carbon footprint. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not only investing in your home's curb appeal but also in long-term savings and sustainability. Increase in property value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to increase its value, window replacements can have a positive impact on the property's worth. Homes with modern, attractive windows often stand out in the market, and prospective buyers will appreciate the improved energy efficiency and updated appearance. In Jennings, where curb appeal plays a significant role in the desirability of a property, new windows can make your home more competitive, potentially leading to a higher resale price. Moreover, if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, the added comfort and energy savings are a great long-term benefit. New windows can make your home more enjoyable to live in, increasing your overall satisfaction with your property. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, whether it's painting, sealing, or replacing cracked panes. Modern replacement windows, however, are designed to be low maintenance, with durable materials that require little upkeep. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, for example, are resistant to fading, rotting, and warping, meaning they will continue to look great for years to come with minimal care. This durability ensures that your investment in window replacement will continue to pay off in both aesthetic and functional benefits for the long haul. Conclusion: window replacement in Jennings is an investment that offers multiple benefits for homeowners. From enhancing the visual appeal of your home to improving energy efficiency and increasing property value, new windows can make a significant difference. Whether you're upgrading to prepare for a sale or simply want to give your home a fresh, modern look, replacing your windows is a smart and effective way to enhance curb appeal. With the added advantage of lower maintenance and long-term savings, the decision to replace your windows is one that will pay off for years to come.